Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 16 problem of this month on Leetcode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 3264. Final array state after k multiplication operations 1. Okay, so let's read the problem statement first. You are given an integer array nums, an integer k and an integer multiplier. Okay, you need to perform k operations on nums. Okay, 5 operations on nums. In each operation we have to find the minimum value x in nums. If there are multiple occurrences of the minimum value, select the one that appears first. Okay, we have to replace the selected minimum value x with x into multiplier. Okay, so here 1 is minimum, so I'm going to multiply this 1 with multiplier. Okay, so it will become 2. Okay, this is what we need to do total 5 times in example 1. Return an integer array denoting the final state of nums after performing all k operations. Okay, so see this example number 1, right? So here after operation 1, so here I have changed this 1 to 2. Okay, so this is my nums array. Then find the minimum. So here 2 is occurring 2 times. Okay, 2 is a minimum. Okay, so pick the first one, multiply it with 2, it will become 4. 4 2 3 5 6. Okay, so this is operation 2. Again find the minimum is this 2. Okay, so multiply it with 2, so I will get this. Now minimum is this 3. Okay, so multiply it with 2, I will get this. Now minimum is this 4. Okay, so pick the first 4. Okay, 2 4s are there, pick first one, so it will become 8. So final array is going to be 8 4 6 5 6. Okay, so I hope that you guys are clear. Okay, so I have already solved this problem in the past. Okay, in Leetcode weekly contest for 12. Okay, so in that video I have explained a very simple approach, okay, to solve this problem, right? So it's just a 3 minutes video, so I will just add the link in the description of this video. Just go and watch that video as well. Now in this video I'm going to solve this problem using priority queue, okay, using heaps. Okay, so for basic approach you can just go ahead and watch this video. Okay, and I'm going to solve this problem using approach 2 as part of this video. Okay, so here what we are going to do, so here see, this 2 is at index 0. Okay, so here I'm just going to add this 2 is at index 0. Okay, then 1 is at index 1. Okay, so 1 is smallest now, so I'm going to put it on top. Okay, 1 is at 1 index. Okay, then 3 is at index 2. Okay, so I'm going to add it, 3 2. 5 is at index 4. Okay, and 6 is at 5 is at index 3, sorry, 5 is at index 3, right? And 6 is at index 4. Okay, so I'm just going to add these array elements. Okay, all these array elements in my priority queue. Okay, so how I'm going to sort them? I'm going to sort them based on their keys. Okay, based on their not keys, you can say first value. Okay, first value is nothing but these numbers. Okay, so here first this 1 is occurring. Okay, then I'm adding 2, then I'm adding 3, then I'm adding 5, and then I'm adding 6. Okay, one thing is this. Now but if I say that if two values are same, if two values are same, okay, then what I'm going to do, let's say we have uh, another 2 value here, let's say. Okay, so 2 is at index 5 now, so I'm going to put that value here, 2 at index 5. Okay, then what I will do, if two values at first position are same, then I will keep the value which is smaller here at this position at top. Okay, then this will. Okay, so here what type of sorting I'm doing? So first I am doing the sorting. Okay, so first let's say we have two arrays. Okay, A and B. Okay, we have two arrays. Okay, I will check. Okay, if A is equal to B. Okay, if A of element at 0 index. Okay, A of 0 is equal to B of 0. Okay, if element at index 0. Okay, if element at index 0, okay, this and this are same. Okay, then in that case, question mark, in that case I'm going to put the smaller, okay, smaller B at top, then I will put the B which is less smaller, okay, which is larger at bottom. Okay, so BLB something like that. Okay, B at bottom. Okay, so here I hope that you guys are clear. Okay, so if these values are same, then we have to put the smallest one to top and then the next one. Okay, otherwise simple sorting 1 2 3. Okay, so I hope that you guys are clear. And these are the indexes now, so these are always going to be unique only. Okay, these are nothing but indexes only. All right, so first sort them based on the values, okay, numbers. Okay, then sort them based on the indexes. Okay, that's it. So now let's write the code. Okay, so this is what we need to do. Okay, so here first of all let's create one priority queue, and in priority queue I'm storing the pairs, right? So code is going to be very small. Okay, int n is equal to nums dot length. Okay, priority queue. Okay, and here int pq is equal to new priority queue. Okay, and here let's say we have a and b as two arrays. Okay, and here I'm checking if a of 0 is equal to b of 0. Okay, okay, so if these two indexes are same, okay, if the values are same, okay, then we have to put the smaller index at top. Okay, so a1 minus b1. Okay, in ascending order. Okay, increasing order from top. Okay, otherwise simple, a of 0 minus b of 0. Okay, that's a simple meaning of this line. Okay, so that's it. All right, now it's very simple. Okay, that's it, mainly this part. Okay, so here I add all the elements in my priority queue. Okay, so int I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. Okay, and here inside this pq dot offer, and I am adding a new array, right? So here new int, and inside this what we are adding nums of I. Okay, and then we are adding the index. All right, these two things that we are adding, right? So this is done. Okay, for this part. Okay, this is one thing. Okay, let's do it later. Okay, this is one thing that we are doing. Then simple one while loop. Okay, we have to run this while loop until my k doesn't become 0. Okay, so if my k becomes 0, then stop it. Okay, so here first pick the topmost element from my priority queue. Okay, so this is at top. Okay, so pick that 1 1. So here for this multiply it with 2. Okay, this is what we need to do, right? So this is what I'm going to do, pick the topmost. Okay, so int element is equal to pq dot poll. Okay, and after that int index is at element of 1 index. Okay, element of 1. Okay, so index is at this position, this one. Okay, and this one is the new value. Okay, so I'm going to update it. So simply I'm going to write nums at index position. Okay, that this particular index is equal to element at 0 into multiplier. Okay, this is done. And now in the pq, same line. Okay, now in the pq dot offer, here new int, and here nums of index I have to write index, and here also index. Okay, that's it. Okay, now k minus minus. Okay, every time, and in the end just return nums. That's it, return nums. Okay, so now let's run it. So see, our all the test case has been accepted. Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? And the time complexity is going to be of n log n. Okay, because of priority queue that we are using, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem, and if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in next video. Thank you. Bye bye.